My God.
Hey guys.
Hey.
Hello all you YouTubers out there.
Hey YouTubers.
So
Hey.
we bought this really cool drone from Walmart. It's a Aeronautics PA-1003.
It looks very cool.
Looks like
it's
this.
like white and black.
And it's only $40, pretty cheap at Walmart. And we're gonna test it out. Now the box didn't come with any instructions, so I found the instructions online.
So
the PDF.
we decided.
Excuse me, I'm talking.
Yeah.
The PDF link is in the comment section of the video.
Or
if you want to look it up.
I want you to smash that like button.
Whoa, you just stepped on it, bro. Well, we're gonna test it out.
Okay, let's go.
Kids are fun.
Okay.
So that was fun.
Very fun. It was like.
It's a little hard to control, but it's pretty fun. It's pretty easy. You just got to take some practice.
But guys,
But this guy,
he's a master.
Kind of worth the money.
He's the master. He's the master of the breakers.
If you guys liked the video,
Make sure
hit the
to
like
smash
button.
that like button. No, smash it. Smash it as hard as you can. Headbutt it. How like this? Headbutt.
You heard them.
Bye.
Have a good day, guys.